kinds of board games. North Pole game. Here's another set of construction boxes, and here we have some of the most valuable early mechano boxes. And here is more steam engines, hot air engines, locomobiles, accessories. And the items in the storerooms are of the same quality as the exhibited items. We use these toys for exhibitions, for advertising, etc. It is a very nice, interesting optical toy. It's 18th century, 45 meters long peep show engraving. Military vehicles, ambulances, trucks. Penny toys, more penny toys. In this room there are about 400 boxes. Aeroplanes. This is a German aeroplane from the 1930s. And here are soldiers, tin soldiers, Bulgarian ski troops, about 1900. The Napoleonic Wars, a very beautiful set, dating about 1870. Doll's house furniture. There's a wide selection of dollhouse furniture. Schuko cars. Many of the toys are in the original boxes. As I mentioned, all the toys are registered, and here are the files giving notes to when it was bought, who made it, who owned it, etc. One of the most interesting pieces in the collection is this children's car made by the Citroën factory in 1926. It's about 2 meters long and has a weight of 80 kilos and is equipped with an electric motor for back and reverse, electric horn, electric lights. It's been completely renovated up to almost mint condition. And it's only known in a few copies today. In the days when it was built, it was too expensive and couldn't sell.